Hi, this is Brad with Tech Keys. Today I'd like to do a quick demo to show just how easy it is to reprogram your OneKeyBoard or SixKeyBoard devices with a tool called EasyAVR. This tool is available for download on GitHub. I'll put a link to the site in the description, and you can scroll down to the download section, choose the latest release, and then you can download the zip file for Windows. I've already downloaded this file and extracted the contents of the zip file to a directory, and you can see you can now launch the program by clicking easykeymap.exe. This will open the tool, and we'll want to start by selecting File, New, and choosing a layout for our keyboard. You can see on the right side there are options for Tech Keys OneKeyBoard and Tech Keys SixKeyBoard layouts. For this demo, we'll go ahead and do the Tech Keys SixKeyBoard. You'll see it brings up a visual representation of the SixKeyBoard, and we can select a key, and then from scan codes we can select a mapping. For this demo, we'll make the middle keys up and down arrows, and then we'll continue to make the bottom left and bottom right arrow keys as well. And then we'll make the upper left an escape key and the upper right a delete key. Now keep in mind, for the CNC edition of the SixKeyBoard, these mappings are upside down since the cable comes out the bottom of the case. There are a few options available for sending our configurations to our device, but I would recommend using the program called Flip. Flip is available for download at microchip.com. I'll put a link in the description below, and you can select the download from below. You can run the installer and just select the defaults. Once that's completed, we're ready to plug in our device and prepare it for deployment. I'll plug in my device, and we'll need to enter the device into program mode. To do so, you'll need to locate the two solder pads next to the USB port. On the SixKeyBoard, you'll need to remove the PCB to access these. Find something conductive like a paper clip and short those two by completing the circuit between the two solder pads. This will enter the device into program mode. We can now open our device manager, and we should see an unknown device. We can right-click and say Update Driver and browse our computer for a driver. We're basically telling our computer that we want to use Flip under Atmel, Flip, USB, and we want to find our driver for the device under this folder. We've successfully installed the driver, and now we're ready to proceed with programming. I'll return to our EasyAVR programming software, and we can now select Build, and Reprogram. Since we've installed Flip and installed our driver, we can use Flip directly from the program. I click Run, and you'll see the deployment was successful since all of the responses were pass. We can now unplug our device and plug it back in, and now it's ready to test. I'll open up a notepad. We can type some characters. And now I can take my device and test my arrow keys are working, and my delete key is working as well. I hope this was helpful for those that are looking to get started in creating their own custom firmware. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at info@techkeys.us. Thank you.